Hi everyone, this is Mohit and welcome back to Engineers Tech channel. So I will continue rest assured part. So in this video, we are going to discuss how to automate get method and validate all the workspace and types. Okay. So let me show you first manual what I'm trying to do. So this is the postman, and by using the postman, we are going to execute the get method, right? So here I have to validate name and type using the rest assured. Okay. So let's move in your Eclipse. Okay. So let me create a test case. So test case name I have written validate response body. So we can go through that. So create validate response body. Okay. Now we have to do the same till here. So your given is there, right? Then given, then we will use the base URI. Sorry, I missed the spelling. This is your given, and we have a base URI. So this is our base URI. So the same base URI, if you missed the previous session, you can just go through that. We have already, discussed how to set up REST assured project. Then this is your header. Okay, so header is okay, header. So in the header, we will pass a key value. Okay, guys, so I already discussed in the last video how to create this API key using the Postman. Okay, so please follow my previous video how to get this data and all. Okay, so you will get more understanding. So now after that we have to do the same, then we have a when, then when we have a get. So this is your get method, right? And get method you have to pass the same, workspaces. Then we are going to also print the console. So we have a then, okay, then and log dot all. Okay, and now I'm also validating here you know a status code as well. That is very important validation in our rest assured, right? So that is the important validation, guys. So after that, here we'll go in the ppt. I have used body. So this body method will come from your hamcrest library. Okay, let me show you. This is the hamcrest library we have already imported, and this is the static library. So what you have to do, you have to import this manually because Eclipse won't be give this suggestion. So we can use here body method, and let me show you. Okay, this body, inside this body, so what I can do, so you can go for this URL. Okay, on compiler you will get many editor like that. So here we'll go here, and what you can do in the postman, okay, you can copy from workspace to this bracket and paste it here. Okay, now and you can run it. Okay, so here I have written. Now what I can do after that, we will pass here, you want all the workspace right here. So we will use workspace dot name. So let me go to 1 second, guys. Okay, so here I will use it will give the single one, right? So 1 second. Okay, so here I will use workspace dot name. So if we will use workspace dot name, okay, dot name, then here you will get all the workspace value, workspace name, right? So we have to validate this. So what I can do here, we can go for the workspace, and we have a has items. So here I'll copy this. Okay, workspace dot name. Okay, inside this body, we can write workspace dot name, and after that we have another method called hasItems. Okay, so here I will use hasItem because you have to validate multiple, then we will use hasItem methods, and here we will pass all the you know things like this value you have to pass. Let me pass this all the value. Okay, and you have to give this double quotes. If you will miss it, then it will not work. Okay, so give this all the double quotes. uh Here it will having the again a string, right? So give the double quotes, and this is your double quotes. Okay, after that again we have to you know we have to validate your types. Then again you can give the comma here. Okay, comma, then again you have to pass the same thing. Let me show you in the ppt workspace.type. So here we can go and you can here write dot type. Okay, and you can just validate this run, then you will get all the type. I'm not sure why this is coming null. Workspaces dot type, right? Okay, I think I missed the spelling. T by P. That's why the value is coming null. Okay, let me run one more time. You can see I'm getting the type. Okay, so I can do the same thing. So we have an item. So first of all, you have to copy here. Let me copy this because if you will miss something, then it will not work. So better to copy this workspace type. So this is our workspace type. The same thing I can do here. I'll give the comma and use has items. Sorry, hasItems. So this is our hasItems, and here I will pass here this you know the same. You have to enclose with double quotes. Okay, double comma, right? You can see now. So here we are trying to validate type and name in your response. So that's all guys. So in this session agenda is to work with validate name and type. So let me execute this and let's see it is working. So our agenda is to validate type and name, and let me execute this. This is the very basics guys, and right now mandatory skill is required. So we can see our test case is passed. Okay, we are getting all the workspace. How we have already used logs, right? So and it is passed means our things are working fine. Let me do one thing. I did some typo, like I'm writing 2, and let me execute this. In this, now our test case will fail because actual and expected is not matching. You can see our test case is fail because actual and expected is not matching. Clearly said here workspace name does not match. Okay, so that's all in this video guys. So please share and subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get new video notification. If you are new in the channel, please go to this playlist. We have already made many videos, okay, related to the interview, related to the subject, and right now the API testing is very important in your resume. So learn. I have, if you are beginner, please follow this playlist. I have started from very basics and it will very helpful for you guys. So thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye bye.